land, the one-eyed man is king. This expression comes from cold lands of Iceland, and I'm going to tell you its origin. Tidril, who was a 20-year-old boy, decided to leave his father's farm to live adventure all over the world. He said goodbye to his parents and went to the horizon. While he was on his road, he heard hideous shots. A little rascal was pinned all against the door of a bar. Tidril, who was good, felt compassion for the owl and decided to help it and looked after it. Then, a strange and supernatural thing happened. The owl began to speak and told him, "Boy, you saved my life. I would like to thank you. If one day you need help, it will be enough to you to shout 3 times this word." The owl takes off in the twilight. "Wherever you are, I shall come." Tidril was surprised and took back the road. Few hours later, he arrived in a village, a lugubrious village, where the people were blind. He asked the reason to one of them. The man answered him that they were victims of Porverture appetites. Porverture was a gnome who every night came into people's house and devoured their eyes. They couldn't fight him because he committed his crime when they were sleeping. Tidril, touched by the man's word, decided to fight the gnome. This night, Tidril slept off a night. Unfortunately, his eyes closed, couldn't see the darkness, and the gnome devoured his eye. The next day, Tidril was one-eyed. The sun will never rise again anymore for Tidril if the gnome will come and eat his second eye. But he remembers the owl's words and said the magic word. Then the owl appeared and said, "What can I do for you?" Tidril answered, "You can see in the dark, ain't you? I ask you a favor. This night, a villain came into my room, and I would like you to warn me. Don't let him touch me. I will kill him." The owl accepted the man's word. Everything took place as expected, or almost. At midnight, Porverture came to finish his meal. The owl saw him, and instead of warning Tidril, she imprisoned the gnome in its beak. The gnome struggled so that they threw up all the eyes. Then, the owl swallowed the gnome. At dawn, Tidril gave back to the people their eyes. They could see again. To thank the heroes, the village took as emblem the owl, the night guards, and Tidril was elected the king of the village.